Hey guys, it's me. I'm back. I did another burping video. See, I'm using Diet Sunkiss, but first, when I burp, I suck it in like that. That's how I burp. I suck in the air, I go open it, I don't do this one. I don't like that technique, because if you have to go, that doesn't really work for me. But I can burp real loud. Okay, now I'm gonna do, this is Diet Pop. And then what I do is I suck in the air too after I'm done drinking. See, I suck in. Oh, excuse me. There we go. What I do is after I'm done with pop, I suck in air, so that means I have more gas in my stomach and it just comes up. So. There we go. Excuse me. What I do is that one, watch out. Oh, God. What I do is I suck in the air, and then it comes up like that. Damn it, I lost it. Excuse me. Oh, excuse me. Oh my God. I got rid of my smoke. I mean, it used to be so good. I don't know what happened. Maybe because it's diet. I don't know. Here we go. Excuse me. Let's say do those various burps. Watch. Alright. I'm gonna feel like vomit. Alright, I'm gonna try that other burp again. Wait. Oh my God, that was good. Now, my next video, I'm gonna make another burping one, but it's gonna be me doing a long burp. So, that's it for now. And, bye.